If your body feels a bit stiff or sluggish in the morning, this quick 5-minute routine will bring your muscles to life. Imagine starting your day feeling grounded, strong, and flexible, ready to tackle anything that comes your way. We'll focus on stretches that open up your hips, strengthen your core, and gently awaken your entire body. This routine is perfect for anyone who sits too much, wants to improve flexibility, and simply needs a quick boost of energy to kick off the day. You won't need any equipment, just your mat, some space, and a positive vibe. We'll hit 5 dynamic stretches designed to activate your lower body, open up your hips, and loosen your spine. Most people skip these small moments of care, but you've shown up, and I promise you by the end of this routine, you'll feel balanced, energized, and powerful. Let's hit the mat. Start with a dynamic movement to wake up your legs and stretch your hamstrings. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Hinge at your hips and lower into a deep squat, bringing your chest close to your thighs as possible. Then straighten your legs as you fold forward, keeping your hands on your feet or the ground. Move back into the squat position and repeat for 1 minute. This movement stretches the hamstrings while strengthening the hips and quads, giving your legs the mobility and stability they need to carry you through the day. Beginners can keep their squat shallow, focusing on controlled movement. Advanced participants can hold each squat a little longer for a deeper stretch. Let's lower into the next stretch and focus on opening the hips with the frog squat. Now we're going to dive deep into your hip mobility and open up the groin area with a grounded squat stretch. From a squat position, place your elbows inside your knees and press them out gently while keeping your hands in a prayer position. Let your hips sink as low as they comfortably can, keeping your chest lifted and your back straight. Hold for a moment, then gently pulse up and down. The frog squat deeply stretches the inner thighs and hips while promoting lower body flexibility and mobility. Beginners can keep their feet wide apart or use a block to sit on for added support. Advanced participants can focus on deep pulses to engage the hips further. Stay in this grounded position as we transition into a dynamic spinal twist with deep squat into T rotation. Time to combine balance, flexibility, and spinal rotation in one dynamic stretch. Stay in your deep squat position, then place your right hand on the ground in front of you. As you inhale, twist your torso and reach your left arm toward the sky, gazing at your fingertips. Exhale as you return to center. Repeat on the other side, alternating for 1 minute. This stretch releases tension in the spine, engages the core, and increases rotational flexibility while keeping your hips active. Beginners can place their supporting hand on a block for added stability. Advanced participants can hold the twist for a few extra breaths to deepen the stretch. From here, shift your weight backward and stretch in a reverse plank. Let's open up the chest and strengthen the back and shoulders with this invigorating stretch. Sit on the mat with your legs extended and your hands placed behind you, fingers pointing toward your toes. Press into your palms and lift your hips toward the sky, forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your shoulders open and chest lifted. The reverse plank strengthens the shoulders, opens the chest, and stretches the front body, countering the effects of sitting or slouching. Beginners can keep their knees bent in a tabletop position for a gentler stretch. Advanced participants can pulse their hips slightly up and down for an extra challenge. Lower down gently and finish with a calming seated stretch for the hamstrings and spine. Let's round out the flow with a gentle hamstring and lower back stretch. Sit tall with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you fold forward, reaching for your toes or shins. Keep your neck relaxed and let your body sink deeper into the stretch with each exhale. The stretch releases tension in the hamstrings and lower back, leaving you feeling calm and centered. Beginners can bend their knees slightly or use a strap to assist. Advanced participants can focus on deepening their fold by actively pressing their chest toward their legs. Slowly roll up to a seated position and let's wrap up this session. Beautiful work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've energized your entire body, opened up your hips, stretched your spine, and built strength where it matters the most. Before you leave, just remember that you've already won the day just by pressing play and showing up. There's a special gift waiting for you in the description, designed to help you level up. Go check it out. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.